A linear regression model is a statistical technique for modeling or exploring the relationship between an output variable and one or more input variables. A simple regression model uses one output and one input variable, whereas a multiple regression model uses one output and two or more input variables. The variable that is explained is called dependent output response or explain variable, and it is mathematically denoted with the letter y. The variables used to explain the dependent variable are called independent variables, or input variables or explanatory variables, and are mathematically denoted with the letter x. If we have data points that represent the relationship between two variables, what that linear regression does is to fit a line through the data points. Here, we have a linear regression model expressed in mathematical form, where y and x are the dependent and independent variable. Beta 0 and beta 1 are the parameters to be estimated, with beta 0 being the intercept, or the value for our dependent variable when the independent variable takes the value 0, and beta 1 is the slope or the change in our dependent variable per unit change in x. Finally, epsilon represents the error term, or the difference between the observed and predicted values, or the term that also captures everything else that we have not accounted for to explain our dependent variable. What we see here is a number of regression lines that vary depending on the intercept and slope values. A linear regression model estimates the parameters beta and beta 1, which minimize the distance between the data points on this line. In this example, values are beta 0 equal to 113 and beta 1 equals 188.